In 1901, off the tiny island of Antikythera, the dark Mediterranean waters concealed the remains of a sunken Roman-era shipwreck. A crew of sponge divers, working the seabed for their catch, stumbled upon the site and the massive haul of antiquities resting within it. The divers recovered a vast treasure trove: marble statues, elegant vases, glistening jewelry, and a collection of weathered silver coins. But sitting among the priceless art was a heavily calcified, corroded lump of bronze, roughly the size of a large dictionary. At first, the sponge divers ignored it. This single object would eventually force a complete rethink of the history of technology. The corroded lump sat unexamined until 1902, when it finally cracked open in a museum. Inside the rock-like exterior lay a series of precision-cut bronze gear wheels. These gears featured incredibly fine teeth, measuring just about a millimeter long. Ancient Greece had no known record of such complexity. This discovery disrupted the linear progression of mechanical history, placing advanced engineering 2,000 years in the past. The existence of this object breaks the accepted story of human progress, presenting a mystery that scientists are only now beginning to solve. Now kept in the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, the 82 surviving fragments of the device sat as an unsolvable enigma for decades. Researchers faced a severe physical constraint. They could not look inside the highly degraded fragments without destroying them. In the 1970s, a team attempted to bypass this decay by using medical X-ray technology to peer through the bronze. These basic scans revealed the first major secret. Dozens of interconnected cogs were hidden deep within the corroded folds. But knowing the cogs existed wasn't enough. Investigators needed a way to map how they connected in 3 dimensions to prove what the machine actually did. The modern breakthrough arrived when an 8-ton 3D X-ray machine was installed directly in the museum to gather high-resolution data. The resulting data allowed scientists to digitally strip away the corrosion and separate the gear wheels in 3-dimensional space. The scans confirmed that the mechanism was a dedicated calculating machine, an ancient analog computer. It used interconnected gears to mechanize astronomical theories, tracking the positions of the sun, the moon, and the planets against the stars. The engineering was even capable of tracking the variable speed of the moon's motion. By turning a handle, a user could wind the machine forward to predict the exact positions of celestial bodies and eclipses years in advance. The 3D scans also revealed an embedded user manual hidden within the corroded folds. Thousands of microscopic ancient Greek characters were etched into the bronze, instructing the user on how the ring system worked. This incredible artifact provides verified proof that scientific theories and mathematical predictions were successfully mechanized over 2 millennia ago. It is remarkable that the ancient Greeks had the theoretical genius to conceive this, but the physical ability to build it is even more astonishing. The science fiction author Arthur C. Clarke noted the immense significance of this technology. Clarke observed that had the Greeks fully understood the capabilities of what they had created, humanity could have reached the moon 300 years ago. Instead, following this period of sophisticated engineering, progress stalled and the knowledge was lost for centuries. The Antikythera Mechanism teaches us that technological history is a fragile process. It develops in fits and starts, and it can easily go backwards. One question remains: how did ancient people manufacture 1-millimeter precision parts without modern tools or magnification? Experts believe this mechanism was not unique, and that similar devices existed throughout the ancient world. The only real hope of finding another machine exactly like it lies at the bottom of the deep Mediterranean. Advancing diving technology is finally making it possible to explore thousands of deep, previously unreachable wrecks. To understand the technological world we live in today, we must continue searching the depths for ancient marvels that rewrite the story of human potential.